last thing from my side is the inspection and maintenance for the fish lock system. The main important thing for this fish lock system is the APP PLC controller. So my maintenance will more on this device. Okay. This PLC controller is come with a display at the CPU module. So this is the display. So from this display you can get a lot of information about what is the status of this PLC. Is it healthy or not? So beside that, they have a 3 LED here, error, running, and the power. So to show, okay, this one PLC is power up. This one, the program inside this PLC is running. Any error happen in this PLC, you should light up this LED. Okay. So at this display, they have few there's a few section: system, battery, I/O bus. All these communication protocol. They have a sign here. In this one arrow and a square box. The square box will indicate the behavior of all these sections, and also the arrow box. Okay. In this system, we are using Ethernet communication and the serial communication. This one is a few bus communication where we are not using. So you will only see the arrow pointing to Ethernet communication and serial communication. We have two serial communication ports, but we are only using the COM port one. So you will see the arrow is pointing these two positions, blinking. Then here is the status of the system. If the system is running, is healthy, you will see the blinking here. This one is the battery status. If the battery is exhausted or no battery is inserted in this CPU, you will see this arrow pointing here, indicates something wrong to the battery. This one is the I/O bus. This CPU with an expansion of all the module. If any of this module having problem, you will see a square box. Else you will see this arrow blinking. So here is the battery compartment. You open this door, you will see there's a lithium battery inside here. Whereby this battery is the most important thing for this CPU to maintain all the data. Okay. Next I will talk about what is the error message will be displayed at this display. When there's an error happen on this PLC, LED on, then you will see there's an error code here in the display. So there is 4 types of error. Error 1, 2, 3, 4. Different have a different meaning. The most critical one is the E1. If you're getting this error message here, meaning this CPU is already, cannot say damaged, but it's the RAM error already. The program, the storage, all is already damaged. It cannot anymore there's no data inside this CPU. Loss of the program. So there's action only, you need to change this CPU already. This is a critical death if you're getting E1. Second, E2. When you're getting an E2 message at the display, the operating system still can functioning, the program still running. However, the program will no longer function efficiently because maybe there's something wrong to the program. The program already overloaded the task. Each program running in the PLC, they have a task duration. We say task duration for each program. If the task duration for each program is overloaded, it will cause the program not running efficiently. Normally, this E2 you will not see because we already finished up the program. The program already running smoothly. There will have no task or overload already. Next is the E3. If you're getting E3, the program already stopped running. You will see this run already turned off. The control system is no longer running. why will the program is not running? Because he detected the expansion module or the digital input I/O module or analog module, something wrong to this module. Maybe the module already spoiled or short circuit at the module, or there is no supply to this module. So any of the module is cannot power on or cannot running the module, you will get this signal. You will stop the program. Lastly, E4. Okay, this is a warning. If you're getting this message, the program is still running. However, maybe there's some signal is not working because there is a short circuit in the I/O module. So maybe some signal is already short circuit at the panel terminal there. Because it's a DC 24 volt, it will not burn the module because inside the module they have a safety protection. But you are warning you, telling you that okay, now there's some short circuit in the I/O module, so you need to check. Or the battery inside this CPU already exhausted. If this battery already exhausted, you will get this warning also, telling you the battery exhausted and you're getting the arrow pointing here. In order to see all this message, when you need to press the diagnostic, I think key, this key. Okay, next we'll talk about the battery. So when the battery is exhausted, you will get arrow pointing to battery, this error message E4. Behind here is just tell you that okay, what type of battery you need to change, or how is the battery healthy status. This one, if you need to check what is the code meaning, you need to check on the manual for this programming software, or you need to online the program through the software, programming software. Then you will see what is the meaning for all the code behind that. Okay. So this is the battery. It looks like this one, round, two cable, positive and negative. So, okay, how to replace the battery? Open the battery compartment. You use a test pen to take out the connector first. There's a white connector there. Take off the connector, then you can pull out the battery already. It's very easy. But when you do this, you need to power off the CPU first. This is the main important thing. You need to power off the PLC compartment. Okay. So to insert back the battery, the new battery, since open the battery compartment, take out the new battery. Connect the connector first. Make sure the polarity is correct. Positive, red color will be on the above, negative is the bottom one. Once connector already done, put in the wire first. The wire needs to be put inside first, then only this battery you can fit to this compartment. When it's done, close back the compartment door, then you can turn on the CPU. Then you will notice the battery error, all this will be gone. Okay, that's all.